Umuthi kaunti ya Garissa niyo yuma gitumiro kia Munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Daktari William Ruto kuria atwikanirie matura matiganite kaunti-ini no kwimathira unyiti mbaru githurano-ini kinene kia mwaka ukite
yetu kwa watu wa Kenya, kwa sababu ilikuwa ni ahadi yetu.
Agithie na mbere na kuha muingi gukamuikiria kura cia kuingira thingira-ini wa iregi mwaka ukite, Ruto niokiriire gikundi kimwe kia atongoria akiuga gikoretwo gigithagania micemanio ya keheri-ini itanya riao ari kufangira Kenya mutongoria uria ugatuika president githurano-ini giukite.
Tutakubali hawa watu watuletee kibaraka wao atuakue rais wa Kenya. Watu wachache pale Nairobi kwa kiburi na madharau wanasema wataketi chini wafanye interview ati kibaraka wao watuletee na watulazimishe ati tumchague awe rais. Tunawaambia watajua hawajui.
Ruto ningi niugite micemanio ino ikoragwo ari njama irabangwo ya kugayania Kenya na mithingi ya gikabira na uthondeki wa ciama cia kiuteti, akiuria a Kenya kwihanda wega hoka ni gwithurira mutongoria uria marenda amatongorie.
Now you want to change the law in parliament so that you can create a system where you can use village political parties to install the puppet president you have identified. We want to tell you the people of Kenya are united in a national political dispensation.
Ihinda-ini riu niokiriire mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga akiuga akoretwo akiendererwo ni thirikari na uguo kuria muingi ukorwo na ugi wa kuona ati wona Raila athurwo ta president aritangikagira mabataro ma itanga imwe guku bururi-ini na gutiganiria muingi ugitangika hatari mundu uramategera matu.
We are telling you the people of Kenya will not accept a puppet president that serves the interest of a few rich people.
We are telling you that we know you. We know your scheme. The Constitution of 2010 will never be overturned.
Oho ningi niugite muingi wa Kenya niguo wina uge munene wa gwitwira matua ma gugathura mutongoria wa bururi uria marenda kuria ehuriire ndefe akiuga gatagati-ini ka aria marahuranira giturwa kia president we niwe wina rekodi njega ya wira uria arutire muingi wa bururi ari thirikari-ini.
The people of Kenya will elect their president who serves the interest of every Kenyan.
Tunamuunga yeye mkono kwa ajili kule kwingine tumedhulumiwa, tumekosewa na tumefanywa kama ni wageni wa nchi hii.